to my kitchen. Today's recipe is a double recipe. First, I am going to make a sabzi made with rich gourd, which is also called tori in Hindi. And after that, I am going to make a dry chutney, which is also made with the peels of rich gourd. So this time we are not going to throw away the peels of rich gourd. Instead, we are going to make a very delicious and fine chutney with it. So first, let us start making the sabzi and take a look at the ingredients. 2 medium-sized rich gourds, split chickpeas or chana dal 2 tablespoons, and this has been soaking in water for about half an hour, salt by taste, jaggery about 2 teaspoons, oil 1.5 teaspoons, red chili powder by taste, mustard seeds 1/4 of a teaspoon, asafoetida a small pinch, Maharashtrian kala or goda masala half a teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 of a teaspoon. After washing the rich gourds, remove the end pieces from both the ends. And now remove the skin using a peeler, but this time we are not going to throw away the skin, instead keep it for making the chutney. Now I have spread all the peels in a plate and I am going to keep this in sun for drying. Even though you keep them in shade, it will take a little longer for drying, but still in about 1 or 2 days they should be ready to make the chutney. So I'll keep this away for drying and let us get back to making the sabzi. First, let us cut the rich gourd into small pieces. If the rich gourd has big size seeds on the inside, then we are going to cut them off, but if the seeds are really small, then you can keep them. Now we are going to make smaller pieces. Let us prepare the seasoning now. Heat oil in a pan, and while the oil is getting heated, I drained out all the water from the chickpea lentil. Now add mustard seeds. When they start crackling, add asafoetida, turmeric powder, and now add the chickpea lentil. Stir fry just a little and then add the cut pieces of rich gourd. Mix everything and now add salt, red chili powder, goda masala and jaggery. Now let's mix again. Now cover and allow it to cook on low flame, turning once or twice in between till all the pieces of the rich gourd are soft. After about 10 minutes of cooking in this way, you can see that the color of the rich gourd has changed. It has also become soft and looks perfectly cooked. So we are going to turn off the gas. You can garnish it with little finely chopped coriander leaves and then serve with roti or chapati. After 2 days, these rich gourd peels have now completely dried up. They have also become very crunchy, so I am going to crush them with my hand. Now I am going to measure these in a measuring cup, and these are about 1/4 of a cup. Let's keep this aside for some time and take a look at the other ingredients that we will need to make the chutney. Oil 1 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1/4 of a teaspoon, asafoetida a small pinch, turmeric powder a small pinch, sesame seeds half a teaspoon, dry grated coconut 2 tablespoons, salt by taste, sugar 1/4 of a teaspoon, roasted peanut powder 1 tablespoon, dry mango powder or amchur 1/4 of a teaspoon, and crushed green chilies 2 or according to taste. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. When they crackle, add asafoetida, turmeric powder, crushed green chilies and sesame seeds. Stir fry till the sesame seeds become slightly brownish. And now add the grated coconut and stir fry again till it becomes brownish in color. Now add the dried peels of the rich gourd and mix nicely. Now add the roasted peanut powder, sugar, salt, dry mango powder or amchur. Now mix everything together and we are going to stir fry this for another 1 or 2 minutes so that everything becomes nice and crunchy and also gets blended together. Now this has become nicely stir fried and crunchy, so we are going to turn off the gas. This delicious rich gourd peel chutney is now ready. You can allow it to cool down a little bit and then store in an airtight container so that the crunchiness is still preserved, and serve it anytime as an accompaniment to any meal. Do try making this healthy and wonderful vegetable at home and also the delicious chutney. If you have any questions or comments, please post them on my channel and don't forget to subscribe.